In the U.S. today, 1.3% of the population grows food for the other 98.7. This alone puts a lot of pressure on farmers, but new demands of sustainability, environmental efficiency, increased crop yield, and providing during pandemic guidelines has made it even tougher. This new pressure has pushed farmers and farm equipment makers to improve in order to successfully meet this new demand. To do this, farmers nationwide are improving everywhere they can, but main focus is on perfecting new ideas of precision farming, farm automation, and biotechnology. An understanding of all the tools modern farmers use will help the average grocery shopper understand how farmers keep grocery stores stocked. This will also let them have a better understanding of who grows their food and how it is done. According to Lindley Q of Plug and Play, precision agriculture is the process of controlling every variable of the crop growing process in order to achieve the highest yield possible. This includes controlling moisture levels, pest stress, soil conditions, and microclimates. In a study produced by On Farm, it is found that just by using the data from precision farming alone, farmers can increase yield by 1.7%, reduce energy costs by $6 per acre, and reduce water consumption by 8%. Precision farming works together with new technologies within farm automation to make the biggest difference. Farm automation is defined as technology that makes farms more efficient and automates the crop or livestock production cycle. The technology that makes the biggest difference today within automated farming is GPS tractors, drones, automated irrigation, and the effective use of the Internet of Things, or IoT. Farmers today use Global Positioning System, or GPS for short, to help view their land, create planting and harvesting routes, and even can be used inside the tractor to drive most precisely and even, in some cases, autonomously. Not only does this new GPS technology decrease workload on farmers, but it also plans and follows perfect seeding and harvesting routes in order to maximize yield and minimize fuel usage. This method ensures a perfect plant and harvest every time. While GPS tractors allow one farmer to farm a lot more land and bring down the labor cost and make the whole farming operation more efficient, the GPS machinery is not cheap, so usually smaller farmers cannot afford this expensive technology. Before the rapid increase of drone technology in the 2000s, to get a good specific view of farmland, only rich farmers could afford to have the aerial pictures and footage taken, but now just about any farmer can get their hands on a drone to survey their property. However, drone technology did not stop at surveillance. Nowadays, drones have been fitted with sprayers, pesticides, and artificial intelligence. They can fly over crops, spot and spray weeds very efficiently and accurately. Depending on where you live, proper irrigation is arguably the easiest way to improve crop yield. This process can be very expensive and uses a lot of water. However, automated irrigation can minimize water usage while still maximizing proper irrigation and crop yield. Automated irrigation is very important for crop growing and livestock growing farmers alike. For crop growing farmers, moisture, Internet of Things sensors are placed around the land, and they communicate with irrigation systems to provide the perfect amount of water. With livestock, Internet of Things activity sensors are mounted on certain members of the herd. They collect data that helps farmers optimize nutrition, water intake, and can even help with fertility and optimizing dairy yield. While all these physical improvements have helped the modern farmer to increase his crop yield, not all farmers can afford these improvements. Given this, biotechnology developed in order to bring up the whole aggregate of farmers by releasing technology that most farmers could use to stay competitive with bigger farmers. According to the USDA, since 1990, when the first biotechnology-derived crops were introduced, farmers nationwide have adopted these new seeds, and about 90% of all crops grown in the United States have been biotechnology-derived. The USDA also describes the purpose of biotechnology as to make both insect pest control and weed management safer and easier while safeguarding crops against disease. And it really does make it easier for producers to cleanly and safely increase crop yield. Biotechnology-derived products also helps to reduce water usage and pesticides in order to create a more sustainable and consistent crop worldwide. These products help farmers worldwide to increase crop yield without a lot of increase in capital. In conclusion, modern technology helps produce enough food to feed the country, but farmers' attitude, work ethic, and drive are the reason why grocery stores stay full. Even during a pandemic, with constant pressures and competitions, farmers will be able to grow enough food to survive.